What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. Today, of course, let's talk about Bitcoin. As you can see, we had this leg to the downside, retested the level of this very important support once more, and we were rejected by this level once more. Now, we have, of course, this pattern, this bearish pattern that you know already, but we are also starting to speculate a bullish pattern here on Bitcoin. On this video, we are not only going to talk about Bitcoin, we are also going to talk about Matic, Ethereum, Link and ADA Cardano, guys. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick with me until the end of this video. And of course guys, don't forget, if you're searching for a new exchange, I would recommend you to use Bybit, my favorite one. The link is on the description of this video. If you sign up using the first link, you can claim up to $30,000 bonus, and if you sign up using the second link, you're going to be signing up to Bitflex. There you can claim $10 when you deposit $100, and they require no KYC. Today, let's start first with Matic, guys, because we hit our target. We absolutely hit our target here. We were talking about this bearish pattern here for a while. Since we were retesting this time here, I was telling you already about this bearish pattern, and breaking this to the downside, we would hit the target all the way down to this support level, being conservative. A simple trade, guys. As you can see, we broke it to the downside, retested the previous support as a new resistance, and went down here almost to the level of the target. But we had even a second chance here to the same level of the same resistance, and from this point, the second opportunity of opening the short position, we went straight down. So if you remember that I was talking about this pattern, guys, smash this like button right now, right there, and let's talk about Bitcoin. Yes, here on Bitcoin, we had another attempt to break below the level of this ascending white support, this one right here, and we failed once more. We even broke it for a while to the downside, but the bulls stepped in, and right now we are retesting this very important weekly resistance level. Of course, it is a very important level, guys, and we were rejected already twice from this place, actually 3 times counting with this one. So of course there is the probability that we are going to be rejected here once more. If we take a look on the 1 hour time frame, we are forming here a gravestone doji, guys. So yes, there is definitely the possibility that we are going to be rejected from this level, and being rejected by this level once more, you know the story, guys. We would most probably come back all the way down to the level of the support once more. But now, guys, there is also a bullish pattern being formed here on Bitcoin, and I want to talk about this with you right now. So let me delete these lines and draw the new ones. Boom, boom, boom. Exactly, guys. This level here, which is rejecting the price action, could be the resistance of an ascending triangle, guys. Very clear this chart pattern here. So this could also play out. We could adjust it better like this. Yes. And breaking above this resistance, of course, guys, we would expect the price to hit our target. Where is our target? Let's calculate right now. The whole length of this pattern, guys. And projecting from the moment of the breakout, we could come all the way up to $41,500. Not necessarily the price has to break above this level now, but you know, if we keep coming down to this level and being supported by this level as the time passes, guys, it increases the probability of us really forming this ascending triangle. And also here on the 4 hour time frame, guys, we have this top right here, and from this level you can see that the next top that we formed was a lower top. So connecting these tops, we have this line of resistance. So if we are going to close this candle here above the level of this resistance, we still have 1 hour and a half until this candle is closed. But if we close above this level, would signal strength, guys. Closing below would signal for us, of course, weakness. And now bringing Ethereum here, guys, you can see how important it is to analyze the volume traded, especially the level that we have the highest volume traded, guys. It is usually a level that the market respects a lot. You can see here, guys, we came up, failed to break above this level. Here once more we were rejected by this exact level. We are forming here a broadening wedge, and this time with this pump here we managed to break above the level of this point of control. So let's calculate the target here. for this broadening wedge, it would be all the way up to $2,200. And guys, this is major because if we manage to hit this target, we would be breaking on the bigger time frame. We would be breaking this ascending triangle to the upside. This would be very, very good, very bullish for Ethereum. But of course, guys, in order for this to happen, we have to pay attention here to the level of this important support. Let me change the color. This one, which is the previous resistance of our pattern, and also this very, very important point of control. In this case, because we have this pattern, I wouldn't be desperate if we lose this point of control. I would be way more concerned losing, of course, this descending support, because losing it, we would be invalidating this whole bullishness that we are feeling here, that we are having here. And before we keep going, let me show you very quickly Bybit, guys. Here you can see $162 so far. I am short in Bitcoin right now, of course, trading on Bybit, my favorite exchange. And I just opened this trade, guys, right before starting recording it. Yes, let's go, keep going down. $200, guys. And actually, I think I am going to hold this position for a while. I'm not going to close it. Why? Because as I explained already, there is the possibility here of keep going to the downside. I will keep watching the charts. I'm going to protect myself, and let's see, tomorrow I'm going to bring the news. And here on link, guys, very quickly, I just want to say that we failed this head and shoulders pattern. It is a very clear head and shoulders. As you can see, we broke it to the downside, but we failed to be rejected by the neckline here, guys, by this resistance. And failing here, we went a lot to the upside, 10% to the upside, invalidating, of course, our pattern. About ADA Cardano, guys, I am bearish here as well because of some reasons. You remember this pattern here, this yellow one that we just hit our target? Yes, if you pay attention here, we are having a very similar thing on ADA Cardano, guys. Yes, it is a little bit tilted, yes, but we are having this pattern as well, guys, as you can see, and breaking below this level here, the yellow level, it would activate the pattern and we could expect some more movements to the downside. The target for this one would be all the way down to 31 cents, as you can see, guys. And even if we disconsider here, guys, this pattern that I am showing to you right now, this yellow one, you just pay attention to the red line. It is a very important level of support since October 19th, as you can see. So right now, we broke below this level right here. And the exact level that ADA Cardano is right now, we are retesting and being rejected by this very strong previous support, which now, of course, is a resistance level for us. So guys, very, very probably we are actually going to be rejected by this level, forming this inverted hammer here on this top and keep moving to the downside. And before I go, let me show you for the last time my trade position, almost $300, as you can see already, guys. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being here with me until the end. If you like this content, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!